Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hair tea that will help to promote hair growth, strengthen your hair, and also protect the scalp. So stay tuned. For this remedy, I'll be making use of clove seed. Clove seed is a wonderful spice that you can use for your hair care and other beauty remedies. So I'm going to add the clove seed into a jar, add water, then cover and allow it to infuse. After about 2 days of infusing the clove tea, I'm going to sieve to get the liquid. It's a wonderful spice that contains some important nutrients and it is high in antioxidants. It will help to increase hair growth, strengthen your hair, and it can use to promote the scalp from dandruff. In order to promote healthy and long hair, you need to protect your scalp from any scalp irritation. Then I'm going to pour the liquid into a spray bottle for easy application. You can decide to soak your hair with the clove liquid. Apply the clove tea on a clean washed hair, making sure that it touches your scalp. Massage it to touch all the parts of your hair. You can use this clove tea as a leave-in spray, then you can wash it off after 24 hours, or you can decide to apply it, cover your hair to generate heat, then you can rinse out after about 30 minutes. It depends on what you want. The stimulating effect of the clove will help to promote blood circulation in the scalp. It will also help to promote hair growth. When you are done, you can rinse it out with just water. You can moisturize your hair. You can decide to use this at least 2 times a week. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.